Today, we're diving into the Supermicro ATX Intel LGA1366 C7X58 Motherboard, a powerhouse option for your personal computer build. With its LGA1366 CPU socket, this motherboard is ready to handle some serious processing power. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a professional in need of reliable computing, the C7X58 has you covered. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its compatibility with DDR3 RAM memory technology, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast data processing. Coupled with the Intel X58 Express chipset, you can expect top-notch performance and efficiency from your system. The ATX form factor provides ample space for expansion, allowing you to customize your PC setup to suit your needs perfectly. Whether you're adding additional storage, upgrading your graphics card, or installing expansion cards, the C7X58 has the flexibility you need. Not only does this motherboard deliver on performance, but it also boasts durability and reliability, typical of Supermicro products. With solid construction and high-quality components, you can trust the C7X58 to keep your system running smoothly for years to come. Overall, if you're in the market for a high-performance motherboard that doesn't compromise on quality, the Supermicro ATX Intel LGA1366 C7X58 motherboard is an excellent choice. From its compatibility with the latest technologies to its robust build, it's sure to take your PC build to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.